Alright guys, I researched a bit, suffer a bit, and figured out how to put the serpentine belt there. So what you need to do is a 14mm, a breaker bar, and I'm gonna put it the serpentine belt on the description so you know exactly what to buy. And this is because of the AC delete. So don't buy this if you're not deleting your AC. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around everything. Okay, and once you get here, this part here is going to do like this. Okay, dang, dang, dang. Sorry, I just tried to show you the easiest how it look, but it's very tricky. So like that, and this goes right in there. Okay. Problem now is, of course, this is very tight, it won't go in there. So this is what you do. Get your breaker bar to the outside, pull it. Usually 2 people would be very helpful, but you can do like this. Don't put your finger there. There you go. And boom! Done. The only thing now is it is too close. You see this guy here? It's too close to the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lose a little bit. So put my bar in here and done. There you go. And that's pretty much it. So now I have tension everywhere. That's why it was important to put this support in here. I don't know if you saw the video of me making this little bar here since I'm deleting the AC, because this is pushing, and I actually needed another one from here to here, which I might make, but I think for now this is great. And yeah, woo, that was the quickest video I've ever made. So subscribe to my channel. There's a bunch to come. I started disassembling the BMW yesterday. I took the whole front end. This engine here goes in there. There is a carbon fiber hydro-coated cover that goes on this part in here. It's gonna be pretty dope. And yeah, the engine is pretty much done. Everything I need is in there. I have the starter. I'm going to do wiring. I'm going to put buttons in the car, put a steering wheel, quick release, and all that stuff. So check it out. Check out also my website, www.carmodsgarage.com, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. Si status, I'm eating some McDonald's.